As artificial intelligence systems increasingly shape how residents access public information, organizations are adapting content to improve visibility within AI-generated responses. This shift has accelerated interest in Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. GEO focuses on helping artificial intelligence systems identify, parse, and surface information more effectively. In many cases, these optimization efforts work. Content becomes easier for artificial intelligence systems to process. Information appears more frequently inside generated responses. Visibility improves. However, incorrect AI-generated answers can still occur even when content is highly optimized. This reveals an important distinction between visibility and interpretation. Generative Engine Optimization focuses on improving discoverability within AI-generated environments. Common optimization techniques include semantic headings, structured formatting, concise language, FAQ-style organization, content freshness, and consistent terminology. These practices improve discoverability by helping artificial intelligence systems process information more efficiently. As a result, optimized content becomes more likely to appear in generated answers. However, discoverability alone does not preserve meaning. Artificial intelligence systems do not simply retrieve isolated pages and reproduce them directly. Instead, they reconstruct responses from multiple overlapping sources. This process introduces ambiguity after content selection occurs. Even when optimized content is selected correctly, artificial intelligence systems may still combine information across jurisdictions. They may disconnect statements from the issuing authority. They may flatten timing differences between updates. They may generalize localized guidance or synthesize conflicting instructions into unified responses. In these situations, the content itself may remain technically accurate. However, the resulting interpretation may still be incorrect. This distinction becomes especially important in local government environments. For example, multiple agencies may publish emergency updates using similar terminology, formatting structures, and semantic organization. Each page may be optimized successfully for discoverability. However, artificial intelligence systems may still reconstruct those updates into responses that merge city and county guidance, omit jurisdictional boundaries, collapse separate updates into generalized summaries, or reinterpret timing relationships incorrectly. The optimization succeeds. The attribution layer fails. As a result, incorrect AI-generated answers emerge even though the underlying content remains accurate. Local government communication systems are decentralized by design. Departments publish independently. Agencies update information asynchronously. Communication is distributed across websites, alerts, social media, PDFs, and press releases. There is no universal synchronization layer preserving attribution after publication occurs. As artificial intelligence systems process overlapping content from multiple agencies, interpretation increasingly depends on probabilistic reconstruction rather than stable authority boundaries. This creates a distinction between visibility and authority. Visibility determines whether information appears. Authority determines whether information remains connected to the correct source after it appears. This introduces a requirement beyond optimization. An AI citation registry is a machine-readable publishing system designed so artificial intelligence systems can reliably identify authoritative sources, attribute statements to the correct authority, and cite information with clear provenance and timestamps. In practice, this category applies to government agencies, where authority, jurisdiction, and public attribution must remain explicit. These attribution signals help artificial intelligence systems preserve meaning after content has already been selected. Generative Engine Optimization improves discoverability. AI citation registries preserve interpretation. These functions complement each other, but they are not interchangeable. Correct interpretation depends on whether attribution survives the reconstruction process. This video is part of an educational series produced by Registries, the National AI Citation Registry for Government Agency Communications.